Need to shrink a large WAV into a portable MP3? This workflow is useful when a lossless recording is too large to share or store. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open WAV to MP3 Converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a WAV. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Use 192 or 256 kbps for music and 96 or 128 kbps for speech. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a substantially smaller MP3 that plays almost everywhere. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Keep the original WAV because MP3 encoding is lossy. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.